Welcome, welcome. Look what we got. Another review with 3 kids. Chocolate, honey bunches of oats, made with real chocolate and cocoa, artificially flavored. Family size box, 18 ounce. This is oats and honey. Back of the box, what we got? Crunchy granola. I love honey bunches of oats. We're going to have our friends here see what they say about the chocolate. Open this box. What bowl are we in?
The community bowl.
The community bowl.
Decided to go with the community bowl today.
We got Ty, Heather, and Zach. Oh, I need help.
Sniff test.
Sniff test. Hang on. Ooh. Kind of smells like an ice cream parlor. What do you think?
It does, kind of.
Yeah.
It smells like a hot fudge sundae.
Right?
But I wish I
Smells
wouldn't
nice.
have heard you say that so I could have my own opinion.
Smells kind of like.
We gotta have the dry test. Put it
Oh yeah, the dry test.
Cocoa
That's not-
pebbles.
It looks a lot.
It looks like friggin' Oreos. Alright, can we?
Yeah, bring that in.
Actually,
Let's go.
it's very dark.
Let's go POV here.
It smells like an ice cream sundae. It looks very dark.
Looks like
What does it taste like?
What is this?
honey bunches of oats.
Honey bunches.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Let's see.
Tastes like chocolate.
Tastes like
It's chocolate.
Let's
like
go on.
nothing.
Come in the light a little more. It's a little dark over here.
Oh, get that shot.
Oh yeah,
Ooh,
that's a good
the
chop.
golden light.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Dump her in.
Communal milk.
Yeah. On 3.
We're doing a combination of 1, 2, and whole. On 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, your ass like none.
There's nothing in mine.
Wow. Okay.
This is
Well, let's see. If we have whole 1% and 2%, what percent would that be?
2.
No, it's gonna be.
It's gonna be
whole 1 and 2. So
whole
it's
1
gonna
and
be
2.
like.
2.5.
It's gonna be like 1.5% mixed with 100%.
Something
Did you
like
know-
that.
So
I think-
150%.
I think
I mean-
whole milk is actually just 3%. Because 100% is cream.
It's cream.
Oh.
All right, back it up in the light there.
I'll let you do that.
Yeah.
We're
Perfect.
sogging out
Perfect.
right here.
Perfect.
Sogging.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Yep. All right. Oh, hang on.
I'm dipped.
We gotta get Garrett in here.
All right, here we go.
We gotta dunk.
On 3,
1, 2, 3. Yeah, everyone's gonna eat over it, so.
Oh.
From the head.
I don't think it tastes like honey bunches at all. Are you guys honey bunches?
Well, there's no
Fans?
honey.
That's true. There is no honey. It's just chocolate.
I don't really know.
Can I go in for another?
Yeah, go.
It also doesn't really taste like chocolate.
No, I feel like the chocolate kind of comes off of it. Honestly, I
Yeah,
don't like the
it-
chocolate sticks.
The milk is already quite chocolatey. Milk is colored.
It's because there's chocolate on it.
Is
it's
there even
not
honey in
chocolate.
this?
Honey
there.
bunches of oats.
But
I love honey bunches of oats.
corn, sugar, whole grain oats, whole grain wheat, rice, canola, soybean, semi-sweet chocolate chips, sugar, unsweetened chocolate, corn syrup, salt, molasses, honey. Last ingredient.
Okay, update. After sitting in the milk for a sec, I feel like it just tastes like cornflakes. Like
It
eating
kind
it.
of does, yeah.
But then the
I
milk,
feel like the chocolate.
drinking the milk after is gonna be chocolatey.
Oh,
But the cereal itself, like after sitting, kind of just tastes like cornflakes.
it does. Yeah, kind of bland. Well, not bland, but it's got flavor. But like,
Okay, wait.
Kind of just.
Oh,
not
I'm getting the
chocolatey.
granola bite.
It's like
It doesn't taste.
it's like cocoa without any sweet,
Yeah, it's sweet
No
though,
sweet.
but like,
but not
So
in the
the-
chocolate.
Update. I think the granola is better than the flakes. I think the granola holds
Yeah,
the
the
chocolate
granola
better.
chunk like that.
Roger
Oh,
Baker
We'll show
yeah.
that.
Sure,
Yeah, I
chunk.
totally just ate one. You
Chocolate
gotta hold it higher.
chunk.
Hold it higher.
Where?
Cheers.
Oh, it's
Holy.
out. Yeah.
Hold on.
Get the faces out.
This
Yeah, you can't see that.
is a chunk of granola. It's leaking off my spoon. Kind of gross. That is going to be chocolatey, but then the milk's kind of chocolatey. I don't know if we can... Here, show the milk in contrast to Heather's shirt. The milk is definitely more chocolatey than Heather's shirt is. Oh, yeah. When you get the granola chunk, it's
better.
chocolate.
No, those are just
Go for
cornflakes.
granola chunk. Oh, there's a granola
I'm
chunk.
gonna put a dent in
Bro,
this bowl.
that was a great fish right there. You manifested a granola chunk.
Oh yeah, chocolate. And the granola.
I am not really a Honey Bunches of Oats guy.
I like honey
The
bunches of
regular's
oats.
better.
But you need less milk
Yeah.
with honey.
The regular's
Bunches of Oats.
better. You can't go wrong.
I think I'd skip this.
Yeah.
I actually think I'd take this. I
Really?
like it.
You've had the regular bunches?
I think I had almond bunches.
Almonds are.
And
Almonds
I
good.
don't think I like the almond
I like
ones.
just normal.
I don't know if I've had normal, but I'd buy this.
The oats
I like-
somehow taste almondy. Like it almost tastes like honey
The
bunches.
the
of almonds.
chunks of chocolate oats are what make this worth it. And the milk's gonna be chocolate after, which is a win.
Milk is gonna be very chocolatey.
You can
Very
drink that.
chocolatey though.
I'm done.
I'll drink
I
it.
think I'm
I'm
tapped.
hungry.
It got soggy too fast as well.
See, I don't think you can. This cereal, soggy, is my favorite.
Really?
I think
I like less
sog,
milk
huh?
with my
for
honey
me,
bunches.
it's I would purchase this. I think.
Okay. Ty, say yes.
I
Heather,
would,
yes or no?
I would rather have the other honey bunches of oats.
Heather likes normal. Zach,
I think I would not purchase this one.
not purchase. I would say purchase to try, but don't purchase again.
So not purchase.
Ty, that's your box.
Exactly.
Congratulations.
Sweet.
No, that's my box. I'll finish the box. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Anything you guys want to say?
You need some milk.
I need some milk.
Ty needs some milk.
Give us more review recommendations.
Yes.
I wasn't even pointing at you guys.
Oh
Oh boy.
no. Oh wow, I look like
Yeah,
2%
Heather's completely blown out.
2% is the best milk.
1% plug.
That's false. It's whole milk.
Real men drink 1%
Whole
and
milk.
are not
No.
ashamed of it.
No. Whole milk
Drinking
all the
whole
way.
milk
I
is
don't
too
drink
mainstream.
Whole milk. Oh well.
2%.
There you have it. Like and subscribe.